y'all, Dysphagia Divas here with another how-to video.
Today we're here to show you that pureed foods can be made to look appetizing.
That's right, we're going to show you how to make some pureed versions of some of our favorite foods.
You can find the recipes for everything we're making here today on our website.
Alright, let's start out by making a pureed pizza, because everybody likes a good pizza pie.
Good idea, Cassie. We have the choice of using a pizza food mold or just a normal pizza pan. All depends on the size of the servings that you want. And remember, anything that's left over can be frozen and saved for later.
To make the pizza crust, we're going to use plain bread pieces with some water. No crust on the bread, by the way. And we're also going to do some shredded cheese. We've got a little Parmesan here. And some Italian seasoning and garlic powder mixed in there. And we're going to puree that until smooth. Okay, once our crust mixture is smooth, we're going to add in some puree enhancer for thickening. Now this is going to give it across a nice consistency.
Now that we have our pizza crust all ready to go, I'm going to have Cassie spray the pan and we'll go ahead and put some of the crust in the bottom. Now the crust is ready for the meat.
And I made up the meat layer ahead of time, so it should be ready to go. This meat layer is made of ground beef, onion, and some seasoning, but you can use pretty much any of your favorite pizza toppings, just as long as you're pureeing them to a nice smooth consistency.
Once Cassie is done spreading the meat layer on, I'll go ahead and put some Parmesan cheese on the top. And then we'll cover it and bake it in the oven. Once the pizza is baked, it's ready to cool a little bit and then slice and serve. Ooh, that's kind of hot.
Oh, bellissimo! And now I'm just going to cut this half into 2 wedges, and they're going to look just like a couple of pizza slices.
I think another favorite is spaghetti and meatballs. What do you think, Cassie?
Oh, absolutely. And spaghetti and meatballs is a great example of a pureed dish that looks just like the real thing when you're all done. So let's grab what we need and show everyone how to make this.
And here we have our already pureed meatballs, a hot spaghetti sauce from a jar. Just make sure it's smooth. You can make your own, but there cannot be any lumps. And then also our pureed spaghetti noodles.
And piping the pasta to look like spaghetti is a really nice touch for this recipe, although you can certainly just use a scoop or a square of the pasta as well. And you might have noticed that I'm using a Ziploc baggie to do this instead of a fancy pastry bag. You can certainly use the pastry bag in the tip system, but we like the baggie idea because it's super handy Most people tend to have a sandwich bag available, and cleanup is way easier.
Once you have the noodles all piped, you can go ahead and ladle on your spaghetti sauce.
Then add the pureed meatballs. You can add as many meatballs as you're hungry for, but I think today we're just going to do 2. And finish it off with a sprinkle of some Parmesan cheese.
Would you look at that? You can hardly tell it's pureed.
Just look at it. And the last item to show you today is a pureed taco that you could serve either hot or cold. And we have a few different recipe options that are similar to the taco available on the website. You can make a cheese enchilada, a tamale pie, or you could do what we have here today and puree all of your favorite ingredients and build your own taco.
The first step is to puree the taco shell. I used hot water and cornmeal to make this cornmeal mush. It's the right consistency and it adds the added taco flavor that you're looking for of a taco shell.
For toppings today, we've got pureed taco meat, pureed tomato, pureed lettuce, cheese sauce, sour cream, and taco sauce. You could do pureed onion, pureed black olive, even pureed refried beans. Pretty much anything that you like on a taco.
Once you have your toppings ready, you can go ahead and layer them on, starting with the cornmeal mush, and then you're going to want to add your meat. I like to spread mine out evenly. Some people might just drop theirs on.
And then you can dollop on your lettuce, your pureed tomato, your sour cream, anything else that you like on there. And if you like piping, you could actually put some of these in a sandwich bag or a pastry bag and pipe it on for a little added layering effect.
And I'm going to finish my taco off with a little drizzle of cheese and some taco sauce. Pass me that. Thank you.
And why don't we top them off with a dollop of some sour cream?
Right in the middle, just like I like it.
There we go. And there you got it. Pureed taco. Alright, so today we made pureed pizza, pureed spaghetti and meatballs, and pureed tacos, and they just look fantastic.
Like the real thing.
Well, that's all from Dysphagia Divas for this time.
Be sure to check out more of our how-to video clips.
See you later. Dibs on the pizza.
All right, I'm gonna try this taco. Quite good.